go stay at Quality Inn in Clarksville tonight. Our plumbing isn't finished all the way, so we're gonna shower, freshen up, and get ready to dominate on the homestead tomorrow. We've stayed at every hotel in town, but we really like the Quality Inn, and free breakfast, and we'll show you what it's like. Tomorrow it's not supposed to rain at all. It's supposed to be 79, so hopefully it dries out enough to where we're able to use the tractor. And I'm gonna keep digging the pond, keep expanding the tilapia pond a little bit even, and doing some more raised bed work and some other tractor work. So hopefully it dries out enough. We're hoping for that. And but after that, it's supposed to be like 6 days of dryness. So we'll for sure be able to use the tractor after that. But hoping we can use it tomorrow. So yeah, we're working on our tilapia pond. It's pretty big right now. We're gonna be able to fit like 1,000 tilapia at a time in there. But I want to expand it bigger just because I want to grow a lot of tilapia. Because we love eating it and there's a lot of protein, and they're going to be super healthy, and we're going to be able to use the water from the tilapia to water our garden with too. We use a lot of the fish, and then we're also going to smoke a lot of it too. And be able to preserve it really easily that way, and it's going to be a great step in self-sufficiency. Got to our hotel room. Looks like the beds are really comfy. Nice shower, bathroom area. We're gonna watch some TV and get some video editing done. So heck yeah! All right, gonna wash off all the mud from the tractor work. So heck yeah! Just finished our China food and Chinese food, and it was delicious. It smelled so good and tasted so good that we forgot to record, but super good. I'm definitely gonna come here again. Heck yeah! That's going across the Arkansas River, and they've been doing construction work on it. They're resurfacing it. So we're just waiting here at the stoplight. We're on top of the little island here on the river. Pretty cool. out and refueled up, so we're gonna go clear some dirt out of the way so we can finish building our fence around the garden, try to get that planted. So let's do it.
Alright, so Nigel's clearing out the space right here. We did have the garden bed, it was a little bit longer, but we decided that we're going to put a fence right where he's clearing for the garden. So garden bed's coming a long way. Lots of room for us to plant now. Just planted some pepper seeds. Still need to smooth down and straighten a lot of them, but we're gonna have a lot more planting space now, so really excited to get growing.